Stop scrolling if you want a simple way to start making real money online without tech skills, without ads, and without feeling lost. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are building income from home by following a proven 3-day plan. The Online Income Masterclass gives you a real working system directly from a marketer who actually makes money online. No hype, no complicated funnels, just a step-by-step setup you can follow even if you're starting from zero. And right now, it's only $19 instead of $99. That's a massive discount for live training. So what is the Online Income Masterclass? It's a 3-day live training event hosted by Wayne Crowe, a successful online marketer who will show you exactly how he earns online. Day 1 is all about foundations. You learn how online income truly works today and how to pick a profitable path. Day 2 is setup. Wayne shows how to build your income system with simple tools and real examples. Day 3 is growth. You learn how to keep expanding and generating consistent earnings over time. This is perfect for beginners, struggling marketers, or anyone who wants results without wasting months testing random methods. You don't need a list, you don't need followers, and you don't need to be good with tech. It's designed so anyone can take action fast. When you join, you'll receive your login to the members area. You will see the live session schedule for December 15, 16, and 17. Each session includes the topic breakdown, the live join button, and the replay placeholder if recording is included for you. You also get access to the private Facebook group where you can ask questions, connect with others, and get help during the masterclass. Everything is kept simple, no clutter, just a clear roadmap to follow each day. You show up, learn, and take action with guidance.
Hey there, it's Wayne. Now, most beginners trying to make money online bounce from idea to idea, shiny object to shiny object, and never get anywhere. It's not because you're not trying, okay? It's because nobody has ever shown you a simple path that actually makes sense. And today I want to try and help fix that for you. Now, I've been doing this a long time, in fact, over 15 years, and I didn't start with any money, skills, or a special advantage. I just learned what worked, okay? Kept things simple and followed a process I could repeat. And that's what helped me build my online business. And that's what I want to talk you through. If you've been trying to figure this out on your own, you already know how confusing the online world can be. One person tells you one thing, the next person tells you something completely different. You try a strategy on Monday and you switch to a new one by Wednesday, and by the end of the week, you feel more lost than when you started. Now, here's what I want you to understand. The problem isn't you. The problem is lack of direction. The truth is that you don't need 100 strategies. You don't need fancy tech. You don't need to master everything at once. You need that one clear path that you push forward. A simple set of steps. Someone to show you the order things go on. Once you have that, everything gets easy. You finally know where to start and what to focus on next. And that's exactly why I created a live 3-day training called the Online Income Masterclass. For 3 whole days, I'm going to show you the same approach I used when I was getting started. The same steps I still use today. On day 1, I'm going to show you how online income really works. It's not theory, not hype, just how things really actually work behind the scenes, so you understand where to put your time and energy. You'll walk away knowing what produces results and what wastes your time. On day 2, we'll build you a simple online system. I'll show you how I set up the content, the tools, and basic pieces so everything works together. You'll get clear, beginner-friendly steps you can follow without feeling overwhelmed. And on day 3, I'll show you how I grow and create unstoppable momentum. You'll see how I keep people engaged, how I expand what I built, how I stay consistent over time. You'll walk away with a plan you can follow at your own pace. By the end of this masterclass, you'll have something most people never get. Clarity, direction, and a simple process you can finally move forward with. No guessing, no jumping around, just a clear path. We're doing this live, okay? We're doing this live. And normally this kind of training would run $99, $200, $500, $1,000. But right now you can grab your ticket for the low price you see on this page. Now, if you tried and you're tired of trying to figure out how to do this on your own, if you're tired of the noise and the confusion and you're ready for a simple plan that actually makes sense, join me live for 3 days and let me show you what works. Click the button below, grab your ticket now, and I'll see you on the first masterclass. I'm excited to meet you.
There are optional upgrades after you buy if you want even more support. Upgrade 1, Elite Upgrade. This gives you pro summaries, diagrams, and visual breakdowns from every training session. This makes it easy to revisit everything fast. Price $47 one time. Upgrade 2, Titanium Upgrade. You get lifetime access to all recordings, Wayne's training from his Affiliate Incubator Summit, a private coaching call, and a future summit upgrade ticket. Price $97 one time. Upgrade 3, Mastermind Upgrade. This adds 7 extra days of extended implementation and coaching. Price $197 one time. These upgrades are not required, but they help you learn faster and get personal support. To make this deal even better for you, when you get the Online Income Masterclass through the link below, you get my exclusive bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses help you take action faster and make more money with the system Wayne teaches. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Bonus 7, Action Poll. Bonus 8, Article Analyzer. Bonus 9, Website Pouch Pro. Bonus 10, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Plus over 50 additional premium tools and resources for traffic, conversions, and list building. These are real business-boosting tools designed to get you results faster. But they are only available through the link below and only for a limited number of buyers. If you want a clear plan to start earning online and you're tired of confusion, this is exactly what you should join. 3 days of simple, proven steps directly from a real marketer. A huge discount from $99 down to just $19. And a premium bonus stack worth thousands when you join through the link below. There is a strict limit on bonus access, and this offer can end anytime. Click the link below now to lock in your seat before it's too late. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real reviews and income building guides. After checkout, email your receipt using the instructions on the bonus page so your bonuses can be unlocked instantly. Click the link below now and start your path to online income today.